wrong, but he was on a wizard's ground, who hated all sweet sound. Elf, elf, take care of you, son. He's coming behind you to seize you and bind you and stifle you, son. The wizard, he changes his shape in crawling along. An ugly old ape, a poisonous lizard, a spotted spider, a wormy glider. The wizard, he's up on the bough. He'll bite through your gizzard. He's close to you now. The elf went on with his song. It grew more clear and strong. It lifted him into air. He floated singing away with rainbows in his hair. Well, the wizard wormed from his creep, mad as sudden leap, fell down into a hole, and Dart's magic word he could say was eaten up by him all.